जिन व्यक्ति के कारण, जिस व्यक्ति के कारण हमको इतनी बड़ी आज़ादी मिली, और 26 जनवरी 1950 के दिन वे व्यक्ति ही हमारे साथ नहीं थे। तो मैं गांधी जी के बारे में उनकी वो क्या सोचते थे शिक्षा को लेकर, उनका क्या विचार था, क्या वह किस तरीके की शिक्षा पद्धति अपनाना चाहते थे अपने भारत देश में, उसके बारे में थोड़ा प्रकाश डालना चाहते हैं। तो सबसे पहले गांधी जी क्या सोचते थे, इसके पहले हम ये जानें कि गांधी जी की शिक्षा कैसे हुई, उनका विचार कैसे बदला, क्योंकि वो भी इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम से ही पढ़े हुए ही थे। तो 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गांधी जी का जन्म हुआ। उसके बाद जब वे 7 साल के हुए तब गांधी जी अपने परिवार के साथ पोरबंदर को छोड़कर राजकोट आ गए, जहाँ पे उनके पिताजी दीवान के रूप में काम करते थे। उन्होंने अपनी माता से सत्य, अहिंसा, सहिष्णुता, धर्म सीखा। 13 साल में उनका विवाह हो गया। उनकी एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन और प्राइमरी एजुकेशन राजकोट में ही हुई। उसके बाद जब वे 17-18 साल के होने वाले थे तभी वे लंदन चले गए वकालत की पढ़ाई करने। और जब वे लंदन से वापस आए उन्होंने बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन उनकी वकालत यहाँ चल नहीं पाई। इसके बाद वे अफ्रीका चले गए, फिर आगे का आप सभी को पता है। आगे वे क्या सोच रहे थे। The education system proposed by Mahatma Gandhi is basically called basic education. He mainly aims at the education in mother language or in mother tongue and asks for the activity-centered education. Education to make the children skilled, independent. Gandhiji wanted to construct a small, self-reliant community with his ideal values, so that if children will be developed, if children will be skillful, then future of country would be better or will be progressive. Such Gandhian educational thoughts are still relevant for development and providing solution of current problems like unemployment, poverty, corruption, and many other problems are there. Gandhiji's contribution to education is unique in the sense that he made the first attempt to develop an indigenous scheme of education in British India. Most of Gandhiji's important writings on education have been compiled by a person namely Bharatan Kumarappa in his 2 books. The name of those 2 books are Basic Education, which was published in 1951, and another one is Towards New Education, which was published in 1953. These writings mostly consist of letters, speeches, extract from his book, means from Mahatma Gandhiji's books. There are basically 2-3 books, popular 2-3 books which were written by Mahatma Gandhi. The first is autobiography of him, My Experiment with Truth, and Sarvodaya, Hind Swaraj. These 2-3 books are most popular. His notion was education for life, education through life, and education throughout the life. His basic education takes up the challenging task of preparing young learners to become morally sound, individually independent, social, constructive, economically productive, and responsible future citizens. Gandhiji himself explained, I quote, by education I mean all round drawing out of the best in child and man's body, mind and the spirit. Literacy is neither the beginning nor the end of education. This is only a means through which man and woman can be educated. I unquote. And present education system problems can be addressed with the basic education concept of Gandhi. In 1937, Gandhiji gave in Varda scheme of education. The minimum elements are as follows. Free and compulsory education from 7 to 14 years old children. Why he had forced to provide free education? Because he don't want, as already there were so many income inequality in the society, so he don't want, because of income, the children should be deprived of education. So So he had compelled that there should be free education and compulsory education. Why compulsory education? Because at that time the condition of India is not that much good so that people can understand the importance of education. But as he had studied in foreign also, in India also, so he has the better idea what is the importance of education. So he has compelled that there should be compulsory education. Promoting mental and moral intellectual development, increased learning of skill and spirituality. These four are the base minimum elements of his system of education. Thus, Gandhiji's aim through education is to develop personality of a child, than merely to be literate and acquire knowledge. Besides learning of three arts, reading, writing, and arithmetic in school, he insists on development of three H: head, hand, and heart. As it is said, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if character is lost, then everything is lost. That is why he has focused on these three H: head, hand, and heart. Gandhiji was having very strong belief that work and knowledge must never be separated. Separation of learning from labor results in social injustice. That is why his main motive to provide education in such a manner that children should learn handicraft work or the local craft so that they can be able to earn in future. There should not, as we are seeing today, youths are very wandering for the job. They are not having job. Why? Because our education system is basically job-oriented education. But Gandhiji's view towards education, or Gandhiji's idea of education, that student or children should be learn all the skills at their elementary level or up to the age of 18. When environmental consciousness and moral values, interpersonal skills, community and society-oriented awareness are all inculcated in a young mind through education, then only development of the country in true sense can be possible. And these are my words. What Gandhiji think about education and what is our education, and in future if we will get the chance to make some amendment in it, so I hope we will be there. Thank you everyone.